Hey everybody, this video will be pretty quick probably. We're going to do a quick pick and decode of a Hyundai door lock. We're using the HYN14R/HY15 original Lishi, and this is what uses the HY15 key blank. So I'm going to go set up on the vehicle, and we'll get started. Alright, so we're at the car here. I'm going to insert our Lishi in. Make sure it's all the way in there, make sure it's seated. Hopefully you guys can see this here. It's kind of a tough situation to light here. But anyway, put a little bit of tension on it. Okay, 10 springy, so we'll leave it alone. Okay, click on 9. Nothing on 8. Click on 7. Click on 6. Click on 5. Click on 4. And click on 3. Back to 10 here. Still nothing on 10. 9, 8, and I'm thinking I probably overset something because I'm thinking this should be open now, but let me just go through and check here. Alright, start over. Let's start from the other side here, so we'll start number 3, just springy. Okay, click on 4, a little bit of a click on 5, 6, nothing on 7, click on 8, 9, 10, and got some rotation there, so we should almost be open here. There we go. And so that's picked, and then from there we'd be able to very easily decode it. You would have a starting at position 3 because 1 and 2 aren't in the door. So we'd have a 1, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 4, and 4. So then we'd be able to go cut a key and then progress it to get an ignition key if we needed one. So anyway, that's just a quick demo here of the HY14R/HY15 original Lishi. And questions, comments, leave them in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And I guess until next time here, we'll talk to everybody later.